we don't just care about you learning Agile. We care about you, right? So this is a good sign that your physical, health is really important. Make sure you take care of it. Make sure you're eating well. So maybe we should have some small little tidbits about eating as well, maybe at another time. But it's just all about making sure you prolong your life so you hear from people you love. Again, thank you very much for joining us today. Yes?
You running for office?
No, I'm not. No way.
Okay.
I would not join that. So again, we're here on a Saturday because we want to learn, we want to interact. So we have our website there. Please go join it. We're actually doing some modifications too, maybe coming soon. We've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes to see how we can change. We are thinking about changing the color, even though it's green. Blue seems to be something that
Azul.
People maybe go to a lot more. So we will see that green change a little bit, hopefully, as we progress. But please visit our site. We've got all the videos of all the times we've had our Wednesday session, a whole bunch of topics there. I would love to maybe get the best out of those videos and maybe put a highlight reel together, right? Where we're learning the most out of it, or if we concatenate them, group them, we should be able to do more with those videos, but they're there for you. Please go look at it, provide some comments, likes, and then of course, all our classes are there, and we're even gathering a lot of information. A lot of people have, just last week, someone asked about, can you get us a whole bunch of vocabulary words of Agile, right? So we're doing that as well, so that we can give you a little bit, but also point you to the right site, So really being a conduit to Agile and all the things that we're doing here. So we are all you've got a lot of coaches around you, but I think everyone should be coaching in some form or another. But we're here to help you. So we normally break out into different sessions. The advanced people know how it works. We got different sessions going on. Today, we are not running the Spanish session, but we haven't done that in a little while. We might need to get back into it, but we do have a beginner session. So if you guys are interested in the beginner to intermediate session, who's helping out with that session today?
Leon.
Yep. So Victoria, Omar.
I'm seeing for volunteers, and Victoria's kind of quiet, so I'm assuming she's looking for somebody else to help.
No, I'm fine. I'm just tired.
But she's tired. That's just not right. Who else would like to?
Hey, Rick, I'll go help Victoria.
Thank you, Al.
Good job, Al. And I'll step by there too, maybe to help you kick that off. Okay, awesome. Okay, so again, if you're intermediate and you want to really get some information on what you need to start up, we're there for you. We also have, and I don't know if we're going to do the advanced session this time, because we also have art. We'll see. And then we have the product session. So Leon, are you good with the product? Are we ready to go over there to that session to move people there? Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. As we go to the two different sessions we have right now, beginner and intermediate, and the product, whoever stays behind, I'll go ahead and work with them more in an advanced session, okay? More in an advanced session, okay? So that's how we'll split it up. Any questions? For beginners, do not panic. The team here knows how to switch rooms because they use Zoom a lot. So they'll immediately go to their rooms. We'll help you, take you to your room if you picked a certain session. All you have to do is, normally if you have the updated Zoom, you go to breakout rooms and you can actually go to your session. Understand that there's one called Kanban. You cannot go, do not go into the Kanban room. Okay. I don't know if you can. I think they might be restricted.
You can.
You can?
I was just in there and I was told I was in the wrong.
Sorry.
Yeah. They have a person in progress limit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's great.
That's
So
cool.
again, you guys enjoy yourself. Now we get back here at what time? What time do you come back? Anybody?
10:15.
10:15. There you go.
10:15. We regroup. We make sure, and then we have our happy hour. Okay.
Okay,
All right,
so
guys.
where am I going?
Where are you going? Ray?
The group. Product.
Product group. That's where I'm going.
Terrence?
Okay, so for the beginning class, remember I told you guys to click leave room and not leave meeting? I click leave meeting.
that last week.
Just
Way to
saying.
go. I did that last week.
Are you an FSU grad?
No, I'm not. Don't be a smart aleck. My daughter is an FSU grad, but no, that is not why that happened.
Oh.
I was trying to save the picture at the same time as leaving the room, so I was distracted.
Multitasking.
Yes, which is a bad thing for Scrum Masters to do. Focus on focus on one thing at a time.
It's technically not possible.
Yeah, because you have to do one thing right. So you'll do both things at a disservice.
For many of us more experienced people, think about a record. The record needle can only be on one song at a time.
What's a record?
Yeah.
What's the record, please?
What's a needle?
Yeah, but I scratch, Al, so I use 2 turntables.
Whoa.
Well, soon Al's going to be talking about 8 tracks.
Hey, I'll have to tell you about my first programming, which I did on paper tape.
Or the punch cards.
Paper tape.
Hey, with the punch card.
Before punch cards, paper tape.
Wow.
Oh, with the punch card.
Paper tape.
There used to be these Band-Aid boxes that were metal. I don't know if anybody remembers them, but they were about 1.5 inches wide. And everybody had one of those because you would take your paper tape and you would roll it up really tight and put it in the Band-Aid box. That's how old how experienced I am.
Did we get Terrence? Terrence, are you back? Yes, he's back.
All right. So thank you guys. Again, great sessions out there. We want to hear. So who do we want to hear for first? How about the intermediate and beginning group, right? What did you guys learn? Talk to us, share. What is Bill doing? Is Bill trying to cover something? I don't know. What is he showing? That's the punch card? Is that what that is?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that
What's
is
he doing
so
now?
cool, Bill. Wow.
God.
That's a relic.
Exactly.
I love it.
Hey, Rick, can I give an update on the product group? I have to jump off in a couple minutes.
Okay. Let's pause a second. Go ahead.
Because I think we had a very, very productive session today. We did complete our team working agreement. We had, as Saba mentioned, our first daily stand-up. We did complete our sprint planning for our first sprint. Leon, you agree with that? I think we closed it. And our development team will start meeting starting Tuesday evening. And then I have some work to do with you to establish our budget. So I'll be requesting some time from you.
Love it. Awesome. Anybody else from the product team? Any update, any other update that you want to add? Any flavor to what she just said?
Actually, yeah, I learned something new, something about the platinum rule. And it's do unto others as they wish to have done unto them.
So instead of the golden rule, it's which is do unto others, have you do unto you. Platinum rule is treat people how they want to be treated.
Interesting. That's cool.
Yeah, thank you, Mike, for that.
I like it. All right. So we're gonna move on. Great job, program team. Back to the beginners and intermediate. Talk to us. What did you learn? Share.
Yeah, I had kind of an aha moment today in the beginner group. We started kind of working with the Kanban board and tying it to and maybe not technology and development based, but kind of looking at it from tasks such as like mowing the yard and kind of how to break that down into like a product backlog, user stories, and then down to tasks within those user stories. So really interesting and well put together leadership from Victoria and Al to really give that aha moment for kind of day-to-day processes that can be agile.
Awesome. Thank you, Ken.
I also agree 100% with Ken. Like I second that. And my biggest thing, the big question that I had for Victoria was, as you know, when I first came in, I thought it was all like software development. But the way they explained it this morning, it was like, you know, someone in K3 can actually understand it. So I just want to say thank you to Victoria and Al. I'm very excited, and thank you to Andrea for inviting me, because I did a YouTube crash course and I was trying to connect the dots on how to apply it to what I do. And I said, I'll go with the flow anyway, and I'll just come and show up. And even, you know, the terminology is like Victoria and Al, boy, y'all are amazing. Like
Yes.
you guys work so well
Yes.
together.
Yes.
You know, the different terminology on, you know, Agile is a mindset, and, you know, explaining to us about epic, product backlog, stories, you know, like that was just unbelievable how y'all did that this morning. So I'm very excited to be here and to learn more about Agile. Like that was too good to be true, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Like I'm walking away with, I'm excited. I want to go do my homework, and we're in lockdown in the Bahamas. So I'm going to go get my whiteboard and put it on my house, and I'm going to put everybody to work. So this is going to be fun. So thank you, Andrea, for the invite. Like, you know, that's teamwork. Yay.
Wow, that was amazing. Anybody else? All right, great job.
So before you move on, Rick, real quick, Melissa and anybody that's interested, I put a link in the chat for a very good Agile marketing website. And they actually have a very inexpensive introduction course that I took, and it really does help if you're looking in the business environment for Agile practices.
Love it. Great job. Great job. Great job. Anyone else for the beginners before we go to the advanced? All right. Advanced group, what did you learn? Talk to us.
We talked about roles and responsibilities from the product owner, and then also the Scrum Master, PMO, development team, and what are the values across and working agreements across their roles and responsibilities.
Anything else?
We also discussed about best practices in terms of planning phase.
Good. All right. Anyone else that wants to talk about the advanced group?
We were discussing how one size doesn't fit all in organizations, from one position to another that we hold as individuals even.
Awesome, Patrice. All right.
Blake also talked about how you, when you get organizations to, in order to allow people to be able to speak out, you might want to tell them at least to do Agile instead of advising their team to always do Agile. Maybe executives should also do Agile so that they can understand what it means to actually apply that to what they are teaching other people to do.
Love it. Love it. All right. All right. So that was our 3 sessions. Again, the idea is that you can actually communicate on the forum. So we actually have a forum that we should be able to collaborate. I would hate to say that the only time we communicate is on Saturday. I would you have the opportunity to post something, see if we can reply back to it so that we can have momentum. We also have our Wednesday session. I don't know if we put out the topic for Wednesday yet. Correct me, do we have anything yet? I'm just trying to remember the.
No, we have one for next week actually, with Alex Jakima. But this week's we're still pending.
So once we have that topic in, we'll go ahead and share that with you. Please make sure you're on the site so that you can get in there. I know this is a very expensive place to join. I know that this costs a lot, but you guys are giving, I think it's $10,000 that we charge. Hopefully everyone is in the process of paying that.
That was free as in beer.
Oh,
yeah. Can everybody put their credit cards in the chat, please? Rick, next week our topic is we're guessing the length of Marcelo's beard. That is the topic for next week.
Wow, that's an interesting topic. And then you don't know how much it grows, during this week, right?
There's all these questions.
Too many variables involved. But again, we're here for you. My name is Rick Reguera. I do represent Transformation Experts, and yes, we have classes. So a lot of the things that we've been doing is to build out this additional classes. We are giving a class. It's called the CAL Certified Agile Leader. We're expanding that. We're making that even more powerful. We had our first one a few weeks ago, and now we're building out our second one. Please join us if you like. We could kind of help you out on a discount price if you need to. But when we look at pricing, we are probably the best competitive price out there in the market to get some of these certification classes. So please make sure you're joining us. What are you showing me here, Neilu, young lady? What are you showing me here?
I am showing, this is our next meetup on the 18th. And
No, wait me up there.
Hello?
Hold on.
Hey, Nelu, can you show me the date for SAFE certification?
I'm sorry?
Can you show me the date for SAFE certification?
Oh, the CAL certification?
No, the date for SAFE certification. Let's tag that.
Okay.
So that you guys can talk to them right after, so we don't have to hold off on that one.
Okay.
Absolutely, we'll do that. Again, so now we're moving into the happy hour, but before we move into the happy hour, I need a beautiful picture from you guys. So the idea is that we take a quick snapshot. Just tell me how your day went, and just show me by your expression, and then we'll take a snapshot. We'll put it in LinkedIn. So can please everyone turn on their cameras so that we can take a quick snapshot. German, are you there? Turn on your camera.
No, these guys' PC can't do it.
Okay, not a problem.
Yeah, sorry about that.
All right, way to go, Al. Turn on the camera. All right. Okay. Neilu, are you gonna take the snapshot, young lady?
Yes, sir.
You gonna help us?